Early one morning, Thomas, Percy, and Donald were resting at the yards. Percy was remembering Thomas about the time when he pretended to be a ghost to scare him. Thomas got annoyed with him.
But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of the hyena is its adaptability.
Remember I played a prank on you, Thomas? Don't remind me. Percy didn't stop until he crashed with a troublesome truck. Now you're gonna make me late, Percy. How dare you? Stop it, Thomas. It's not my fault. This truck was causing trouble. That night, Sir Topham Hatt came to see Thomas. Hello, sir, said Thomas. I need for you to go to the docks to meet up with young Bao. And do what? The Chinese celebration is tonight, so meet him there and y'all head to the station. The big station. When Thomas arrived at the docks, he met up with young Bao. Hello, Thomas. Good to see you again. Hello, young Bao. You ready to go? Yes. Thomas had an idea. He was going to scare Percy with young Bao's decoration. Percy is going to get scared.
The morning heat still radiates from the ground.
Percy was stuck at a signal. Now he can't go home. Bother. Percy had to watch the other engines as they go home. Percy went to sleep, but then, whoosh! What was that? I'm not gonna open my eyes till my driver comes.
But in their wisdom,
I saw it last night.
does not simply see the world, it remembers it.
It was a dragon-looking engine. I think it was, or maybe it would have been a dragon, and it was. I don't know, Gordon.
They hold memories of ancient past.
You must been in the sun too much. You didn't get no sleep. Get out of my way. James and Henry laughed at what they heard about what Percy had said. They thought it was funny. Nobody believes me. That night, the engines was waiting at the station when Thomas came up with young Bao. Help! Help! Percy, it's only us. Hello, Percy. Oh, it's you, young Bao. Hello. We're here for the party, the celebration. It's the Chinese New Year. The engines cheered. Gordon brought the passengers over. This is the best celebration ever.